Written Practice Test 2026 Exam Preparation Questions and Answers Test Taking Strategies Study Guide. Question 1. When taking a multiple choice test, what should you do first? Read the last question. Answer the hardest questions first. Read all instructions carefully. Guess on every question. Understanding instructions is critical. Question 2. Which strategy is best for managing time during an exam? Spending 10 minutes on each question, skipping difficult questions and returning later, answering only the first 5 questions, leaving early. Prioritize easy questions to secure points. Question 3. What is the process of elimination? Eliminating correct answers. Removing obviously wrong options to increase guessing odds. Ignoring the question text. Closing your eyes and picking. Narrowing down choices improves accuracy. Question 4. Why is it important to read the entire question before looking at options? To waste time. To avoid falling for distractor answers. To memorize the question. It is not important. Full context prevents misinterpretation. Question 5. What does critical thinking involve? Accepting all info as true, analyzing and evaluating information objectively, citing only personal opinions, ignoring evidence. Analysis and evaluation are key. Question 6. If you encounter a true/false question with the word always, it is often true, false, both, neither. Absolute terms like always or never often indicate a false statement. Question 7. What is the benefit of a practice test? It gives you the exact answers for the real test. It helps identify areas of weakness. It guarantees a 100% score. It is a waste of time. Diagnostic tool for study. Question 8. Which of the following helps reduce test anxiety? Cramming the night before, deep breathing and preparation, drinking 5 cups of coffee, skipping breakfast. Calmness and readiness improve performance. Question 9. What is a distractor in a test? A noise in the hallway. An incorrect option designed to look plausible. The test administrator. A spelling error. Commonly used in multiple choice exams. Question 10. When writing an essay, what is the purpose of an outline? To make the essay longer. To organize thoughts and structure the argument. To replace the actual essay. To check for spelling. Structure is vital for clarity. Question 11. How should you handle a question you are unsure about? Mark it and move on. Stare at it for 20 minutes. Quit the test. Crying. Efficiency is key. Question 12. In reading comprehension, what is skimming? Reading every word slowly. Quickly reading to get the general gist. Looking for specific dates only. Skipping the whole passage. Efficient for overview. Question 13. What does it mean to paraphrase? Copying word for word. Rewriting in your own words. Summarizing the entire book. Deleting the text. Own words while keeping meaning. Question 14. Which of these is a mnemonic device? A calculator. A memory technique, like PEMDAS. A pencil. A desk. Helps in recall. Question 15. What should you do after finishing a test before submitting? Leave immediately. Check for unanswered questions or errors. Talk to a neighbor. Draw on the back. Final review saves points. Question 16. In a logic test, if all A are B and X is A, then X is not B, X is B, B is A, X might be B. Standard syllogism. Question 17. What is an inference? A direct statement. A conclusion reached based on evidence and reasoning. A lie. A guess without facts. Reading between the lines. Question 18. Compare and contrast means listing similarities only, listing differences only, identifying both similarities and differences, ignoring both. Standard essay prompt. Question 19. When a question asks for the best answer, it means there is only one factually correct option. Multiple options may be correct, but one is most complete. The longest answer, the shortest answer. Requires evaluation of quality. Question 20. Why is getting enough sleep before an exam important? It doesn't matter. It improves cognitive function and memory. It makes you more nervous. It's just a myth. Brain health is crucial.